The State Capture Commission of Inquiry will continue hearing evidence relating to alleged fraud and corruption at the Estina Dairy Farm project near Vrede in the Free State. Albertus Venter, who's an official in the Free State Premier's office, will resume his testimony. Thereafter, the Commission will hear from two of the farm's beneficiaries. The Democratic Alliance leader in the provincial legislature, Roy Jankelson, took to the stand yesterday, and he told the Commission that at least 200 million rand that was set aside for emerging farmers in Vrede was irregularly paid to Estina, a Gupta-linked company. His testimony implicated ANC Secretary General Estina Dairy, who was Free State Premier at the time.
If one considers the content of the National Treasury report, as well as the context of all the information that I have set out in previous paragraphs in my affidavit, then the Premier, Mr. Estina Dairy, the former MEC Zwane, former MEC Kabate, acting MEC Lamlele, and former MEC of Finance Elsabe Rockman were pertinently aware of the issues and problems relating to Estina, and in spite of that allowed substantial payments to be made towards this project while being pertinently aware of these issues. I also indicate that the failure to implement the disciplinary recommendations of the National Treasury report against the former head of department makes them complicit in the greater Estina scheme, and that they ought to also have implemented these recommendations.